Okay, so this is the VMO Pro 2.0. Emmo does that when they come out with a model and then they do upgrades. They'll call it 2.0, 3.0. So as always, they do really wonderful upgrades. So this is these just landed. It's now beginning of October 2024, and they've done some great things. So they haven't increased the price. It's $24.99, 48 volt, 17.5 amp hour lithium. That's the only option. There's the battery here. The best to me is the disc brakes. They're massive. This is almost like scooter size brakes. These are awesome. So this is going to give you, you're not going to get the noise. Sometimes you get some squeaking when the brakes are wet or moist, and they just make noise. So that should eliminate that completely. They've changed the screen. They've gone with a much more upgraded suspension that's adjustable. They've added a bottle holder here. The colors have gone to gloss instead of matte, which I do like because they're a lot more durable. Matte looks nice, but it scratches really easily. The back here, front and rear lights, but the back is now integrated into the rack as opposed to having the lights separate. Much cleaner look. Brake lights, of course. Still have the signals. I don't know, can you see that from there? Oh, well, it would help if I turned it on. That always helps. All right, let me show you. There, right? Can you see that? You see it? Okay, good. Now, signals. Why don't I see signals? Oh, okay, now there's signals. So the right. They've upgraded the grips as well. Now, it leans a lot, doesn't it? But that's not a bad thing. I don't think that that's bad at all, because if the wind comes this way, more lean, less chances of it to fall. So that's great. So well done, Emmo. Dial it up. I feel like they've softened the takeoff. I actually need to put my seat up higher. Yeah, the takeoff's softer. They didn't list that, but I know for sure because, yeah, they most definitely have softened the takeoff, which a lot of bicycles are doing now because it's just too fast, right? They still do 32 kilometers an hour, and you can dial them up to like 45. I didn't tell you that. Anyways, really exciting stuff coming from Emmo in the next little while, and this is the first to look at, so I think everything else is going to be pretty awesome coming through. They changed this a little bit. I didn't think that was big of a deal. So you can adjust your levers, right? That's actually really nice and smooth. That's nice. And then snap it in place, boom, done. $24.99. Here we go.